Hey, welcome to the new video, our first one on YouTube for Bidden and Arboriculture. We are a small run business between myself and my twin brother, and we are hoping to show you guys, the audience, and hopefully build a background network of people that want to watch us on what we do behind the scenes, day in the lives, lots of different stuff of what we do and how the business progresses on how we want it to. And obviously some of the mishaps and things we get up to as well. We do like to have a lot of laugh. So I hope you enjoy that. Please watch the rest of the videos and give us some feedback at the end of the video. Thank you.
Morning people, so I'm just leaving the office. So we've got an oak tree to remove in Ashford. So we're all loaded, ready to go. And let's get some content made. We've landed at site. So the customer in hand had a fencer booked in. So we've asked him if we could cancel it, but it looked like he hasn't been able to. So, new fence up, so it makes it a little bit more tricky, but that's no worries. So we've got this beauty to get rid of today. Just due to the customer wants it as a driveway in the long run, and it's taken up a lot of light from his garden. Plus obviously having this silver birch and ash out the front as well. So, let's get a big picture of it. She's coming down. Let's go. Johnny boy getting his ropes ready. Getting rid of the old daisy chain. All good so far. Customer's got the kettle on, which we like to see before we get up a tree. Because once you get out there, it's a bit too late. So, it's a beauty in sight. Let's get cracking. First few limbs are coming down. So Johnny Boy's cracking out one side. As you can see, I'll show you in a sec that he's got two lines in it, just because the way the tree is grown, we haven't got a centre stem. So without a centre stem, it's quite hard to get your balance on the tree with one line. We've put two lines in, so we can use one side and have the other one as a second anchor point, and then swap it around as it gets going. So he's got the orange line this side, up there above me, and he's got his stripy line over the far back, up in that front. that cut. Beautiful. Over it. Yep. So we're back for tea break. Let's put that up. We've got Billy Boy's taking the fuse dogs off that John's left lower for us. We've got Toby taking off the small brushwood just to make John's life easy when he's climbing. And Johnny Boy's getting back up the top. Get that done. So, should be looking a bit fair soon. So let's talk about how the gang works. Here's 4 of us. So we've got Johnny Boy who climbs. That's his main job. I do climb as well, obviously, as you've seen. But it just takes a little bit of work of that so I can gang a bit more and he can climb. From that, obviously, we've got Bilko. Bilko normally stays with the climber. So he will obviously score anything, make sure everything's going well. If he has to jump on lines, he can jump on obviously ropes and lines, pass up John or me, whatever we want. Toby's obviously on the bigger saws, so Toby then will cut up like he's the cord now, make it the sensible size to lift, chip any wood, and then my job, me, all I do now at the minute is, especially with a job like this, film a bit better, so I can obviously actually film what's going on instead of being up the tree and trying to film. And then from that, I'll just help out wherever we need to. So if John needs something and I'm there quicker than Bill, I'll do that. If not, I'll let Toby might want out with a chipper, sort out a few bits, speak to the customers, so it's a little bit easier on that. That's how the gang of 4 of us works. So Johnny Boy's doing a fold cut here, that's all it's going to do. Hopefully there, and hang. Beautiful, Johnny Boy. Towards the new fence, we don't want to break it. So as I was saying, Johnny cut, Bill gets, he'll drag it over there, and Toby then we'll sort it out once it gets near the chipper. Tea break's over. Well, we didn't even have tea. Customer's still making it, I think. Toby's moving the motor, so it's a little bit easier. Johnny Boy's getting himself up in height. get this last limb off. So as you can see behind me, where is he? There he is. We ain't got much more left to do. So what we're going to do now, put one more bit of chip, that'll go away, ladder will go away, and then we're start tidying up. So we've got plenty of leads, as you can see, everywhere. We are down. So put the last couple of bits of cold on, but it looks like she's pretty loaded. Trying to clear these leaves up and get some kit away. So John's showing Bill how to do a butterfly chain. That's what it's called, John, isn't it? Butterfly chain? Daisy chain, sorry.
And that's going to go down and around underneath that.
Just another method of putting the ropes away.
All the way around it. That's it, and then this is going to come back up and then down and through. So it goes all the way around, so you create another little loop here, yeah? Yeah, so it's going to come round and you're going to create this loop in my hand. And then that tail end's got to come round and down and through. And that creates your starting loop. Once you've got your starting loop, you're away. So we'll have our starting
I'll leave
loop.
them two separate.
Yeah, don't worry about them, mate. Drop them and leave them. So you've got your one starting loop, which is this one, yeah? Dress that up to there, and through, grab hold of this bit, and through here, that's it, grab hold of the line underneath, pull it through, and through, this one, that's it, and grab the line. So always now with your left hand, through, grab. So that's it, you got it. Beautiful.
Still getting the leaves cleaned up. We want to see a nice clean garden. So we're all done, nice and tidy in here. As you can see, Bill's just tidying up the other side. So all the lads are in the motor, we're all ready. Spoke to the customer, they're happy. So thanks for blowing off the garden. So as you can see, that's how it's done. Look, makes the garden a lot bigger and the light. So we're all clean, tidy. I'm sure they have leaves blown about for a couple of weeks. Let's go. Go on, Bill. So this is what happens with your waste, your chip. Chip stacked in this big pile we got going on here. Let me climb up it. So we've got one heap there, another heap. As you see, that one's by grading already. Yep. And this one's a newer heap. Oh, we've got a log in it. And then this just rots down a little bit, and then we resell it for mulch, just to get rid of it basically. Just the cost to get rid of it. So that is what happens with your waste.
We're back in the office now, and as you can see, it is dark. So thank you very much for watching the video. That was first video we put up, and that was in Godderton, Ashford. It was a small oak tree removal. There is going to be plenty of other content being made, day in the lives, weeklies, certain things we buy and do, and obviously there'll be some fun, cool stuff along the way that we will be putting up. So if you've liked it, please give the video a thumbs up, and please comment. The main thing is comment in the comment section below on things you'd like us to video and how we can improve our videos. That is going to be a main key thing of giving us the help and experience we need. Until the next time, see you later.